the firearms industry, Glock and Smith & Wesson are competitors. But for the youth and the shooting sports, we're joined together in one mission, one cause.
Yeah, I'm really lucky to have a good friend like Ed that we go all over the country teaching the safe, responsible enjoyment of firearms to the kids. As much as I enjoy winning a competition, it's even better to see the big smile on the kid's face when he comes off the line realizing he's safe, responsible, and able to do this sport and love doing it. So thank you, coaches, for coming out and helping us get the kids out there.
As partners in the firearms industry, we invite you all to come and join us.